The Maypole is a central figure in various European folk festivals, particularly as a symbol of spring and fertility. Its origins are shrouded in mystery, but it is believed to have ancient Germanic pagan roots. Despite the Christianization of Europe, the tradition of the Maypole persisted, often losing its original significance but retaining its community appeal. The Maypole's enigmatic origins are often traced back to ancient pagan rituals, possibly as a symbol of the world tree connecting the heavens, earth, and underworld. This axis mundi concept resonates with various mythologies around the world, suggesting a human inclination to represent the cosmos through earthly symbols. The Maypole, adorned with vibrant ribbons and flowers, stands as a beacon of life's renewal, embodying the vitality and exuberance of spring. In medieval Europe, the Maypole became a focal point for communal celebrations, particularly in the British Isles where it was embraced with fervour. Villagers competed to present the most lavishly decorated pole, and the Maypole dance became a choreographed display of community spirit. The intricate patterns woven by the dancers' ribbons around the pole were not merely aesthetic, they were imbued with symbolic meaning, often interpreted as the intertwining of lives and the binding of the community in unity and support. The Maypole's association with fertility is unmistakable, with its phallic form representing the potency of nature and the promise of abundance. This symbolism was not lost on the Puritans, who saw the Maypole as an affront to their religious sensibilities. Their opposition to the Maypole was emblematic of a broader cultural clash, one that sought to suppress what they viewed as pagan remnants in a rapidly changing society. Despite such opposition, the Maypole endured. Its resilience is a testament to the enduring human need for ritual and celebration. The Maypole's journey across the Atlantic to the New World is a remarkable chapter in its history. In the American colonies, the Maypole took on new meanings, becoming a symbol of resistance against the rigid, puritanical order, as well as a nostalgic reminder of the settlers' European heritage. The scholarly debate surrounding the Maypole symbolism has yielded various interpretations. Some suggest that the Maypole's verticality represents a connection between the earthly and the divine, a conduit for spiritual energies. Others argue that the Maypole's circular dance reflects the cyclical nature of the seasons, a physical manifestation of the cycles of growth, harvest, and renewal that govern agrarian societies. The decline of the Maypole in the 18th and 19th centuries can be attributed to industrialization and urbanization, which eroded the agrarian lifestyle that had sustained Maypole traditions. However, the 20th century saw a revival of interest in folk customs, and the Maypole dance re-emerged as a cultural artifact, a nostalgic echo of a simpler, more connected way of life. Today, the Maypole stands not only as a symbol of spring, but also as a cultural bridge, linking past and present, rural and urban, sacred and secular. It is celebrated in schools, parks and festivals, often as an educational tool to teach children about history and folklore. The Maypole's adaptability is perhaps its greatest strength, allowing it to be reinterpreted and reinvented by each generation. The Maypole is also preserved in the arts, with poets, painters and musicians drawing inspiration from its form and the festivities it engenders. It has been romanticised in literature, depicted in pastoral scenes of idyllic village life, and celebrated in songs that capture the joyous spirits of May Day. In conclusion, the Maypole is more than just a festive prop. It is a complex symbol that has evolved over centuries, reflecting the changing tides of history, culture and religion. Its ability to inspire, reunite and celebrate the natural world and human community makes it a tradition that continues to resonate with people around the globe. As we look to the future, Maypole remains a vibrant reminder of our shared heritage and the enduring power of tradition in an ever-changing world.